Well, here we are. Hopefully this is a bike pump I can carry on my Crosstourer. I do have the inflatable cylinders, as in you screw in the CO2 cylinders and inflate it, which work very well. I used 6 of them the other day to inflate it up to 26 psi, and that got me home. So hopefully this is a new pump, which is relatively small. I do believe they're made in Australia, so hopefully all recommendations by Rugged Roads, etc, etc, say it's very good. So this is the unwrapping. I'm hoping it is this, but I hope it's nothing else from, say, Ann Summers. Joke. So yeah, let's have a look what we've got here. Black exhaust paint. I don't think it's that. Oh, I hope it's not, because I haven't ordered it. So let's open. Got a knife on this. And hopefully it's in here. Rubbish. Right. Let's have a look. So there we go. Motor Pressor pocket pump. Looks like an adapted model aircraft engine type of thing with a electric motor on. So let's have a look how big we are. We would never like carrying too much on bikes. Yeah, a nice neoprene bag, relatively small. So what have we got in here? Oh, graphite clips, direct power to battery, plug and socket. There we have it. All off. Looks like a good electric motor. Yeah. Yeah, looks quite straightforward. I'll give it a try in a minute. Well, that's the unpacking of it. So you get the pump. Looks like a reasonable extension of everything. Hardwire lead. Crocodile clips. Yeah, should be good. Right, the pump is now wired in, so it can be used on an altimeter as well. The wiring is hidden, and the pump is now mounted on the bike. So what we've got is a givey box hidden here under the panniers. Luckily the right cave for shop. Small first aid kit. And in here is the pump. So one thing to do is take the pump out. One pump. So I'll move the video, I hope, and hopefully you can see everything. So I'll do the cone, and just in the panel is the wiring, hardwired in with I put a 10 amp fuse in. I think it says 15 amp, but net the connector. Obviously that would undo, go right around the bike with it onto the pump, and there it goes. As you see the wiring, a big waterproof fuse holder, hardwired into the positive and onto the frame. I always like earths onto the frame, not to the battery. Just if there's a problem, I believe it's a better way of doing it. So yeah, here we go. Off. Oh. Yep, and that just falls under the side panel, out of the way. Hopefully you can see all that. I'll have a look at the video and see what the story is. Yeah, that's me cylinders and the puncture repair kit, toolbox, spare bulbs, spare cylinders, so there's another 6 cylinders, 3 cylinders there, 3 cylinders there, and 3 there. Obviously now I can do without them. That'll give you a box which the pump sits into, the first aid kit. Yeah, that was a good one.